There are 52 cars and n vans parked in the parking lot. If the ratio of cars to vans is 4 to 1, then what is the value of n? Options are 10, 11, 13, 15 and 16. 52 cars and n vans. And a number of vans. We don't know. We have to find out the value of n. How many vans? Car to van ratio or cars to vans ratio is equal to 4 to 1. 4 over 1. Ratio 4 to 1 means they are in the simplest form of 52 and n. Now, cars we know 52. Vans given as n. 4 to 1 ratio is equal to 52 to n. 4 over 1 is equal to 52 over n. Now let's cross multiply. Cross multiplication means you have to multiply 4 and n and 52 and 1. 4 times n. Multiply 4 and n means 4 times n, that is 4n is equal to 52 and 1. 52 times 1. Nothing but 52. N is nothing but 52 over 4 or 52 divided by 4, which is nothing but 13. 4 times 13, 52. So n, number of vans is equal to 13. Correct option, option C. If the length of the box is A, the height of the box is triple its width, and the width of the box is half its length, then which of the following expressions is the volume of the box? You have options 0.25 a cube, 0.75 a square, 0.55 a square, 0.50 a cube and 0.75 a cube. This question is based on geometry. You have to find the volume of the box. How do we find the volume of the box? Volume is nothing but length times width times height. Here in this question, length is given as A. And height of the box is triple its width. And width of the box is half its length. Width is half its length. Width is half its length. Length is A, width is half its length, and height is triple its width. And options are given in terms of decimals. Now length is given as A, width is given as half its length. Half is 0.5. Half its length, 0.5 times A. I took half as 0.5 because options are in terms of decimals. And height is given as triple its width. Triple means 3 times. 3 times its width. 3 times its width. 0.5 A. 3 times 0.5 A. Now let's put all this information, given information, in volume formula. So V is equal to A, our length is A, width is 0.5 A, and height is 3 times 0.5 A. V is equal to A times 0.5 A times 3 times 0.5 A. Now let's simplify. A times 0.5 A times, what is 3 times 0.5? 3 times 0.5 is nothing but 1.5. 1.5 times A. 3 times 5 is 15. 3 times 0.5 is 1.5. Let's simplify further. V is equal to Coefficient of A is nothing but 1. Nothing given means you have to take it as 1. 1 times 0.5 is 0.5. 0.5 times 1.5. What is 0.5 times 1.5? What is 15 times 5? 15 times 5 is nothing but 75. Here one digit, here one digit after decimal point. So you have to leave 2 digits. Here one, total 2 digits. 1, 2. Put the decimal point. So 0.5 times 1.5 is 0.75. 1 times 0.5 is 0.5. 0.5 times 1.5 is 0.75. And now we have A times A times A. Volume A cube. Volume is 3-dimensional, so it's A times A times A is A cube. So our correct option is option E, 0.75 A cube. Sarah bought a 250 ml carton of milk. If Sarah drinks 40% of the milk, then how much milk is left in the carton? Options 20 ml, 60 ml, 120 ml, 150 ml or 200 ml. What's given? Sarah bought 250 ml of carton of milk. If Sarah drinks 40%, she drinks 40% of 250 ml. You have to find out how much milk is left in the carton. She drinks 40% of 250 ml. 40% of 250 ml. How to find 40% of 250? 40%. 40% is nothing but 40 over 100. Percent means part over 100. 40 over 100. 40% of. Of is nothing but multiplication. 40% of 250. Now let's cross out zeros here. 1 0 at the end, here 1 0 at the end. Now you are left with 4 over 10. Again, here 1 0 at the end, 1 0 at the end. You can cross out. Now you are just left with 4 over 1. 4 over 1 is nothing but 4. 4 times 25. What is 4 times 25? Is nothing but 100. So Sarah drinks how much milk? 100 ml of milk. If Sarah drinks 100 ml of milk, how much milk is left in the carton? Carton is 250 ml. If she drinks 100 ml, so leftover milk is 250 minus 100, nothing but 150 ml. Correct option is option D, 150 ml. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.